Folks, here we have another natural diamond, Canary, yellow green, over a quarter of a carat, 26 points on my diamond scale. Quality, the I range, I1, I2. I'm going to offer this to you all at a very special price. $79. $79 for a diamond that's natural, weighs over a quarter of a carat, Canary, yellow green, quality I. 79 bucks is a steal, folks, for a natural diamond of this size. I'm Google verified, so you can buy with confidence. And as always, if you have any questions, give me a call or email me. Thank you all for your business and trust.